Hi, I'm Belle and welcome to How to IT. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing the Elgato Stream Deck. I want to get into streaming a little bit more, but I also found out that the Stream Deck has a lot more use cases than just for streaming. So the Stream Deck pretty much adds hotkeys that you can quickly access to open up programs and things quicker and easier. So the Stream Deck is not really only for streamers, and I will show you why. But first, let's unbox the Stream Deck. Alright, so I've got the Elgato Stream Deck. Let's open this up. So I thought they were cool. And I was just like, yeah, that's really cool. And then I found out you don't actually have to stream with it. You can do a whole pile of other stuff. So it's essentially like having extra keys that you can program what you want them to do. So quick start guide. And in this box comes the cord. So we'll use that in a second. And then we have our machine. Wow, it's actually a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. And I'm guessing that's where the cord goes in. Okay. So you plug the cord in there. I don't know if you can see, but there's a plug in there. And you plug it in there and then you can bring the cord out here. So then it sits flush on your desk and it's all neat and tidy. I like that. And that is it in the box. Cool. Let's go set it up.
Okay, so I plugged it in. Turns out the stand comes off the back, and then it's very easy to plug the cord in. Then you just feed the cord through the hole and it is ready to go. So now I'm on the Elgato download page. I will link this page down in the description in case you guys are following along. So now we need to go and install the Stream Deck app. So this looks like the Stream Deck app, compatible with Stream Deck Neo, Stream Deck MK2. This looks like the one anyway. So I'm going to hit download. Okay, so that finished downloading and let's install it. Okay, so now we have the Stream Deck app installed. Now we need to plug the Stream Deck into our computer directly via USB port. that was in fact my last USB port on my motherboard. So there you go. Last dandelion of the season. How many pages can you have? Wow, a lot, it looks like. Can I delete them? How do I delete the pages? There we go. Yes. Okay, so the way I'm going to set up my Stream Deck is the first page is going to be filled with like apps that I use all the time when I start up my computer. So I'm going to have like apps like Steam, also Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's just customize one button. So if we click on this button, and then we can drag a action from the right. So say we wanted this button to open a website, we can click on that. We can do a title. So I'm going to write bells, and then we can write the URL. And that's cool. It's come up with my website. That's cool. Oh, we can actually show the title on the bottom, in the middle, or on the top. We can make our font bigger or smaller. We can change the font style. Or if we don't want a title, we can turn the title off. Is there a way I can make the picture bigger? Okay, so I just uploaded a bigger picture. Now I'm going to save it. And now, okay, that's cool. So if we click on the button now on our Stream Deck, it opens my website. That's really cool. But there is like a huge ton of stuff that you can do with a Stream Deck. And like really, it's not just for a streaming person at all anymore. So you can use it to do exactly what I did, open up a web page. You can use it to open up programs like Steam. You can use it to change the lighting in your computer case, or if you've got Elgato lights, you can use it to dim the lights or make them brighter. You can do so much with this Stream Deck. I am going to fiddle with it quite a bit, and I'll probably make another video just going through some of the features and things that I find that I think are really cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a very short one, but yeah, I was really excited that I got a Stream Deck. I'm hopefully going to finish setting it up and maybe try it out streaming tonight. I don't know, maybe. I get so nervous streaming. But yeah, yeah, I will make another video going through my whole setup. I don't know if you guys will be interested in that. But I'm really excited and I'm going to play with my new toy.
Well, that's the Stream Deck, and I can't tell you, I've already started implementing it in my everyday use of my computer. It's a great little device and I really like it already. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am Belle and this is How to IT. You guys have a fantastic day and I will see you in the next video.